Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, the channel where we break down the latest products, giving you an in-depth look so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're exploring something that could completely transform your cooking experience: the COSORI Air Fryer Pro Smart 5.8 Cube Bundle, which comes with a detachable basket, Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, and a handy pack of COSORI Air Fryer Liners. But does it live up to the hype? Let's see. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro Smart is more than just an air fryer. It's a smart kitchen device that's designed to make your cooking easier, healthier, and even more convenient. With its 5.8 quart capacity, it's large enough to prepare meals for the whole family. The unit features a detachable basket for easy cleaning and handling, a sleek design that fits seamlessly into most kitchens, and is equipped with advanced features like compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. This allows you to control the air fryer with your voice or remotely via the VSync app. But does this air fryer live up to the promises made by its specs? When it comes to ease of use, the COSORI Air Fryer doesn't disappoint. Right out of the box, setup is a breeze. The 5.8 Q2 capacity is perfect for feeding families or meal prepping. And with the smart controls, you can manage your cooking even when you're not home. Whether you're working in the next room or out running errands, you can start, stop, or adjust your cooking with a simple voice command or through the app. This feature alone gives the air fryer a modern edge over other models in its class. The app also provides access to over 200 recipes, ensuring that even beginners can step up their cooking game. And with Scan to Cook functionality, all you need to do is scan the barcode on frozen foods, and the app will give you step-by-step instructions along with the correct temperature and cooking time. Now, let's talk about the air fryer's performance. I've tested it with several types of food, from crispy fries to tender chicken wings. The results were consistently impressive. The air fryer really does deliver that crispy texture you want, with up to 85% less oil compared to traditional frying methods. It's fast, too. Cooking a batch of fries took around 20 minutes, much faster than conventional ovens. And cleanup? It's a dream. The detachable basket makes it super easy to clean, especially when using the COSORI Air Fryer Liners. These liners are waterproof, oil-proof, and non-stick, so they protect the basket and reduce food residue buildup. Just pop the liner in, and once you're done, you can toss it away for a hassle-free cleanup. But let's not forget that no product is perfect. While the app and voice control features are fantastic, they aren't always flawless. I experienced a few connectivity issues with Alexa, where it didn't respond to commands immediately. It's not a deal breaker, but something to consider. Also, while the basket is spacious, if you're cooking large amounts of food, it can get a bit crowded, so you may have to cook in batches. That's not uncommon with air fryers, but it's something worth mentioning. As far as the value for money, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro Smart Bundle offers a lot for its price. The air fryer itself is a high-quality product, built to last, and the bundle includes 6 air fryer accessories, such as a cake pan, pizza pan, and egg bites mold, which allow you to expand your cooking horizons. Additionally, the 100 pack of disposable liners adds another layer of convenience and helps protect the air fryer's basket from wear and tear. But how does it compare to other products in its price range? When you look at competitors like the Ninja Air Fryer, you'll find similar features, but at a higher price point. The COSORI model tends to be a bit more affordable, especially considering the accessories and the liners included. If you're looking for an air fryer that combines advanced features with a reasonable price tag, this one holds its ground. In terms of build quality, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro Smart feels solid and durable. The materials are high quality, and the finish is sleek and modern. This is a product designed to handle frequent use. The non-stick basket is well made, and the detachable feature is practical for cleaning. As for longevity, while I haven't used it for an extended period, the brand reputation of COSORI suggests that this product should perform well for years, as long as it's maintained properly. The accessories, like the silicone mat and egg bites mold, are a great bonus and add to the overall versatility of the unit. One area that stands out for the COSORI Air Fryer is its customer support. In my experience, the response time for support inquiries was quick and the representatives were knowledgeable and helpful. While I didn't run into any major issues during my testing, knowing that customer service is responsive adds peace of mind. With that said, the smart capabilities of the COSORI Air Fryer Pro Smart set it apart from others on the market. There are plenty of air fryers that offer similar cooking results, but the addition of app controls, voice activation, and seamless integration with Alexa and Google Assistant truly elevates this product. While the occasional connectivity hiccups are something to consider, they don't detract from the overall experience. In conclusion, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro Smart Bundle is a versatile, user-friendly product that delivers on its promises. It's perfect for anyone looking to make healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Its smart features, convenience, and solid build quality make it a strong contender in the air fryer market. If you're already familiar with air fryers or looking to upgrade to something more advanced, this is definitely worth considering. However, if you're someone who needs to cook large quantities all at once, you might find the size a bit limiting. Overall, this product is a great choice for most people who want to enjoy quick, delicious, and healthier meals at home. If you're intrigued by this air fryer and want to give it a try, be sure to check out the link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. If you've used this air fryer or have any thoughts, drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you next time on Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the inside scoop on the best products.